Our waste paper baler machine is designed for recycling and waste management. It perfectly compresses waste paper, cardboard, and carton scraps into tight bales. With strong hydraulic power, stable performance, and easy operation, it greatly reduces storage space and cuts transportation costs. Fully automatic and labor-saving, safe and low maintenance. Ideal for factories, warehouses, recycling plants, and packaging industries. Turn waste into value. Improve your working efficiency with our reliable baler machine. Let's work together to turn waste into wealth, achieve cost reduction and profit increase, and embrace a greener, more efficient future. Contact us today to get a free quotation and detailed technical parameters.